deployment as well. So again, I thought to explain it because this concept is very important. Because without this understanding, you can't proceed or you can't write the manifest file. Okay, so you should have understanding of these things. So okay, first I will start the master non-worker. So what about you guys? Means you guys created the cluster and what you did? Ravi, is there is any progress or you are stuck somewhere? What the crash layout? स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं भेजे ग्रुप में. So whatever you are getting the error or issues, send in the group. Okay. Then after I came to know now that you are getting this kind of issue. Hmm. After Deepavali, I will start to upload video on YouTube as well. I will try to upload after Deepavali. Okay. But yeah, there you can access some videos only, not full videos. Okay. So Any codes are available that I want to check here too. A name and space are available. So first I will check anything's available inside that. Mm, any codes are available. Okay, nothing is available inside this one. So now we can check inside this one. Okay, we have some tools. Okay, so yeah, tell me guys how I can delete this deployment. Okay, 3 out of 5 is ready. Okay, so I will delete this one. Okay, deleted. Okay, nothing is there. Yeah, it's terminating. Wait for some times. No one is remaining. No one is remaining. Okay. Yes, deleted now. Yes. So coming to the whiteboard. So yes, Ravi, I have explained about the this one, right? A replica set. So could you brief on replica set something little bit? You can't. Okay. So I think replica set class you attended, right? Or you missed it? Okay. Okay, so who is available? Okay, Sandeep, Satya. Satya, you?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
So could you please define the replica set? Or means any idea you have, or means you don't know anything about the replica set, or you
Sir,
know some.
replica is that at the same time we can do the same task with matlab, at the same time we can do the same thing in another. We can make the pods or something like that, and we can work on that.
Okay, okay.
Is it is the duplicate of whatever we are doing. So it
Okay,
makes our
okay,
task much more easier uh,
okay.
and user
So,
friendly to work with.
okay, so means exactly what is the duplicate? Means you are creating the replica set of pod or something else. Pod, you know, right?
Sir,
Uh,
yes, sir. What I know.
okay, so means you are telling like means that is the duplicate of pod, right? Replica set is the copy or duplicate of pod only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, good, good. Okay, we'll try it. Okay, see.
Means like a smaller unit of a container where we can run our application as per our use, whatever we want to do.
Yeah, so that is called pod, right? Okay, okay, that is the pod, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
see, replica set, replica set. Okay, see, actually, we knows this one pod we know. Okay, so now suppose there is one applications. Okay, there is one applications. So for this applications, you have created one pod. Okay, what you created one pod. Okay, so now what happened? Some users are available. Okay, suppose 10 users. Okay, 10 users try to access your applications. Okay, 10 users try to access your applications. So okay, fine. One pod is okay for accessing. Okay, this can access 10 users at a time. Means per second. Okay, if you will talk per second, 10 users can be handled by one pod. Okay, suppose now what the requirement came, like per second, suppose thousands users try to access your try to access your applications. Okay, try to access your applications. So now what will happen? What will happen? This one pod having capacity of 10 users. Okay, per second one pod can handle 10 users only. Okay, so now what's your hit came? Per second thousands users try to hit your applications. So in that case your application, right, your application will not perform, that will crash, right? So now what you will do, now what you will do, you will set replica set. Okay, what you will do, you will set replica set. So now replica set what will do, in replica set, through the help of replica set, you can create similar kind of pod, means copy of same pod. Okay, whatever you want, like you have given the replicas number, replicas is equal to 10. So here you can give like 100. Okay, if you will give 100, then this will pod will becomes from 1 to 100. Okay, 100. So now if users, this much user will come. Okay, that whatever the hit will come, that will distribute. Okay, and your application will run successfully, right? Okay, so this will happen. Okay, so replica set, why actually we are using to create the copy of your code, you are creating the replica set. Okay, okay, so now how we can create the replica set? Okay, and how we can write the YML file in which we can mention the replica set. Okay, you can scale manually. You can scale manually. You can replicate by the YML file. Okay, so now first we will see how we can write the replica set or replicas in our YML file. Okay, so how I can write the replica set YML object. Okay, so in last classes I already written the YML file. Okay, so today see this one I have written one. Okay, yeah, this one I have written one replica set YML file. Okay, so now I will create one more. Okay, replica replica set. Yes. So now tell me, guys, replica set is a kind, right? So if kind, or you can say replica set is a object. Okay, what is a replica set? A replica set is a replica set is a object. Okay, a replica set, and this is case sensitive. Okay, case sensitive means you have to write R as a capital and set in S is a capital. Okay, so this is an object. Okay, you can say this is an object. Okay, so if in short if replica set you can write RS. Okay, now how you can. Okay, so yeah, so what I said, this replica set is an object. Okay, so now how you can find or how you can check that which version is having with replica set. Okay, which version using the which version of the cluster using the replica set object. Okay, so I already explained one command, this one. Whenever you want to know the version, okay, API version of the object, you can write cube kubectl explain replica set. Okay, this will give you. Okay, so I will execute here now. Okay, so if you will write kubectl explain replica set or RS. Okay, yes, see, and here we are able to see group is apps and version is v1. Okay, group is what? Apps and version is v1 replica set kind. Okay, so now we will start to write the YML file for replica set. Okay, so first what we are writing? API version, right? API version. So in API version, what we will write? A double P S v1, right? This one, okay. Then after what we are writing? Kind. Kind means what kind of object we are going to write. Okay, so what we are going to write? Replica set. So I will write here replica set. Okay, so I have written here replica set. Okay, this one I will delete it. Actually, I already installed that cube. That's why it's coming. Okay. Okay. So yes, metadata. So guys, tell me what is metadata? Anyone? What is metadata? What is metadata, guys? See, metadata will act as a object only. Okay, In, inside that one, inside the metadata, you can write. See, what we are going to write? We are going to write the replica set file. Okay, replica set file. So first, inside the metadata, we will give the name of application, right? For which applications we are going to write the replica set. Okay, so we will give the name of, first we will define the replica set name we will give and in which namespace. Okay, these details we will give inside the metadata only, right? We are going to write here about the replica set. Which object we are going to write? Replica set. So suppose your suppose here you are a human being. Okay, your name is like you are a human being. Your name is you are what? Yeah. So your name is like Sumit Kumar. Okay. Okay, you are human. Okay, here kind is human, not animal. Okay, suppose this is animal. So which animal? Okay, you will categorize it, right? So here this is suppose which kind? Replica set. Okay, so if this one is human being, then human being having one name, right? So what we will give inside the metadata? We will give the details of that human being that I already explained in the class. I don't know, now you guys are not explaining that one also.
Yeah, you already explained about metadata.
Yeah, I already explained, no? So you should have speak something, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. You should remember it, okay? Okay, then I am going to write about the kind replica set, okay? So I can give any name. So suppose um, here I will give log dev rs replica set. This name I will give, okay? Log dev replica set. Okay, this is the name of our replica set file. Okay, and in which name, inside which name we will create? Suppose namespace, we will give namespace. What are the namespace? kubectl get, yeah. Okay, I will write inside the log prod namespace. Okay, so we will take log prod namespace here. See, this is very important, guys. You should know how to write the .yml file. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask here. Okay, what is metadata? What is name? What is namespace? If you have any means anywhere you have dot, you can ask. Okay, because this you have to write. Okay, if suppose if you are going to join any company as a DevOps engineer, there is some deployment file. Okay, so you should know how this deployment file is written and how this one is working, right? So you should know this one. Okay, how we are writing this one. Okay, so name a space log prod. Clear, guys? No problem, right?
No
Now,
problem.
now label. Okay, why? What is the use of labels? So this is very very important things. Label. Okay, on the basis of label only, we will do so many things. Okay, so now, okay, in general, if I will ask you in general language, what is label? Then what you guys will tell? What is label? Suppose you have a product. Okay, suppose you have a product, that product having some label or not. Like I think suppose you purchase one diamond or any gold ring. Okay, so suppose you are going to any brand like Kanisk. Okay, so that is the brand. Okay, that brand have one label. See, Kanishka is a brand. Okay, inside that one, so many kind of like diamond is available, gold is available, silver is available. So each one, each product is having one label, right?
Yes.
Then after we will categorize, right? Without label, we can't categorize, right? So
Yes.
so those all different kind of things having labels, right? So now similar kind here also we have label. Okay, so now inside the label, whatever. Okay, label. Okay, enter it. Okay, sorry, labels have written correct only, right? Labels. Okay, labels. Okay, okay. Now this is the label. Okay, so 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 replica set is a part of any applications. Okay, later on, see what is replica set. I already explained about the code only, right? Inside the see what is replica set? Replica set is a copy of code only. And what is code? Code is nothing but that is a application only. Okay, a smallest unit of application is known as code. Okay, so here inside the labels, we will give the name of application first. Okay, so here you can write app or anything. See, inside the label, you can write your own name. Okay, you can write your own name. Okay, so your app name, suppose here I will give logdev. Okay, logdev. Okay, see, in place of app, you can write anything like my app, you can write. Okay, this will also work. Okay, this you can, this one key and values, you can write anything. Okay, no problem. But inside the metadata, this name is fixed, this name space is fixed, this label will be fixed. Okay, inside the labels, you can write anything here. Okay, so here, okay, I will take app. Okay, and what kind of this application? Suppose I'm going to create.
App name also we can take anything.
Yes, you can take anything.
Okay.
App name, you can take anything. Okay. Okay. Type also you can take anything. So this is like a front end application or something. Okay. I will write here also. You can write like anything like front application, front type. Okay. Whatever your wish. Okay. So I written front end here. Okay. Now you can give environment. Okay, to know the things like this .yml file I have created for the stage environment, QA environment or prod environment. You can, this is optional, okay. These all are optional. These two are optional. Type and environment are optional. Okay. Okay. So I will write QA here. Okay. Now, okay, I will delete this one. Okay. Now we are going to write about the pod. No, means this one, replica. Okay. So if I will show you one figure, okay. Mm, mm, okay. Little bit I will zoom it. Okay. Okay. See, this picture should be clear to all. Okay. Here, this is pod. Okay. This is pod, and inside this one, application. Suppose your application name is log DevOps. Okay. So here I took like Nginx. Okay. So here, this is a single pod of one application, and this one is one more pod of same applications. Okay. Here I took three pod on worker node 1 and one pod on worker node 2. So here basically we have four pod of applications. Okay. So generally in previous classes we have studied about how to create a pod only. Okay. What we have studied? We have studied kind pod object. Okay. But now we are going to study about the kind deploy this one replica set. Okay. So now here I have written replica set and replication controller. Okay, replication controller is the old name and replica set is the new name. Okay, so don't confuse about this one. So replica set is the new name and replication controller is the older name. Okay, so now see there is one layer. Okay, this is the layer. Okay, this layer, okay, is connected with replica set. Okay, so now what will happen? Okay, you are going to write a pod. Okay, you are going to first we define the pod about the pod. Okay, so come here. Okay, see see later on we will study about the deployment. Okay, so inside the deployment file we can write the replica set. Okay, uh, today I'm going to explain about the replica set.yml. Okay, but in production generally we are not writing alone as a replica set. Okay, okay, so in productions we are writing the deployment.yml, and inside the deployment.yml file only we will write about the replica set. Okay, and what is a replica set? Replica set means it's the details of pod only. And what is pod? Pod is pod which contains a container. What is container? Container is nothing but that is applications only. Right? This is clear, guys. This flow is clear. See, Pod, I think you guys already, I already explained, right? So pod, what we can do? We can scale it. Means suppose there is only one pod. Okay, there is only one pod. I want five pod. So with the help of replica set only, we can create five pod. Right. So
Yes.
if we, hmm,
So inside deployment file only we will mention the replica set.
yes, correct. And we will mention about the
Mention
pod.
about the pod, and inside the pod container is there, and in the container we will deploy the application.
Yes, in previous classes, if you will see, in the deployment, I have written the replica set and inside the replica set pod. In pod, what we are giving actually? So there we are giving the details about the image, from which image we are going to create a container, right?
Yeah,
Image
right.
details we are writing,
Yes.
right? So this is the flow only. Okay, and users will assess the deployment. Deployment means he is indirectly assessing the code, right? Indirectly, user will assess the code only, right?
Yes.
If you will see this picture, okay, I will
Not
show
only
you.
pod, user can access the application as well, like with the user inside pod container, then application, he can
Yes,
access.
yes. So I think no more required to detail this one, right? I think this picture is clear to all.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so again we are coming to the see. Today I am going to explain these things. This one replica set. I am going to repeat it again. Okay, last classes also I explained about the replica set because see this is very important, guys. Without knowledge of this one, you can't proceed actually. Okay, so that's why today again I am going to explain this one. So I will ask everyone, okay, I will ask to everyone, if this is clear to all, then I will proceed it, okay. Otherwise no one means what will happen means no one will get it, okay. So it's very difficult to understand the things, okay, if you will not get this all the yml file what I am writing here, you should know, okay. Okay, type. Okay, I have written the environment also, right? Environment QA. Okay. Okay. env. Okay. Then after, see, this is the details about the replica set. Okay. So this is what, this is an applications only. Okay. So we have given the name of level as a log dev application having one replica set. Okay. So we should give the details of replicas, right? So inside the specifications, okay, inside the specification, inside the specification, we will give the details of replicas, okay. So one space, two space, replicas, replicas, okay. Suppose I want to QA here. Okay, okay. So here suppose I took three replicas. Okay. Okay. Now here we are given three replicas. Okay. Now there is one more thing, selector. Okay, selector. I think selector word. Uh, what you guys are understanding the word selector? Selector means what? Selector? How we can define the selector?
It will identify or filter the set of objects.
Correct. See, this is the selector which will select, like, see, select means we are selecting something, right? Selecting means like, see, this one is selected, labels we have selected, name of space we selected. Yeah, right. This is selected only we are telling, right? Okay. So now here replica replica we have given three. Okay. So now inside the selector we will give match level. Okay. Match level of what? Match level. Okay. Inside the match level. Okay. Inside the match level, you will write, suppose inside the match level, I have given app. Okay. App here.
Here also we can mention key value pair.
This one also you can give anything. Okay. App match. This, see, this is the part of level on. See, this is level. Okay. And inside the replicas, okay, inside the, see, this is the level. Okay. And this is the level of what? This is the level of this application only. Okay. This application, log dev replica set. This is the name of replica set. Okay. So we have given, okay, we have given the label name. Label name what? Log dev. Okay. So here here also we will give the same name. Okay. This label name should be same. Okay. Why should be same?
But why? Because here we are mentioning the replica. That's why.
Yeah, because here we mention the replicas. Okay. So always remember, okay, replica is a part of that application. Okay. Application only. So inside the application we are given the name this one, label as a app. Okay. So here also you can give as a log dev. Okay.
So if we
Or
give different name, so replica will not create.
sorry, Nanta.
I'm just asking that if we give the here match label inside the match label, if we give app name different, then a replica
App,
will not create.
no app name you can give anything. Mainly see, replica is the part of pod, right? So below this one we will detail about the pod. Pod, pod level and this one. See, this is the application level, right? So here you can you can write, if you will write log dev app. Okay. So here you are going to write about the replicas. Replicas is the part of pod only. Okay. So
Yeah.
inside the pod also we are going to write about the label. Okay. So there must be like a log dev only. Okay. So application name can be anything. Okay. So this one you
No,
can
so,
write as a
if the both app name will not match, then replica will create or not create.
I mean, so you are telling about the application name.
Yeah, inside the label we have given app name as log DevOps app, and inside the match labels, if we give app name as different, not the same like this.
No, no. If this one, if you will give different, no, nothing effect will come. Okay. This is the application name. Okay, this is the application name. So this one you can give anything. Okay, but this one replicas name, whatever you are going to write. Okay, later on what we will do, no, see, generally, whenever, okay, leave that one. Okay, first I will write this one. Okay, and then I think you will get will clear to all. Okay, first I have given the replicas label name as a log div. Okay, okay. Then after a specification about this is the selector. Okay, where we have written this is the selector of. Okay, so now this is the, okay, what I took, replicas 3 I took. Okay, selector is there. Okay, match level. Okay, life is there. Okay, okay. Now I have to write about the pod, right? Now I have to write about the pod. Okay, so pod generally we are writing inside the template, right? I already explained about the pod. Pod always we are writing inside the, we are giving the details about the pod inside the template. Like, see, whenever you are going to write about the replicas, now then you should write. You always will write inside the selector match level. Okay, and similarly, you have to give the details of pod. Okay, so pod pod. Okay, pod will come in the level of pod, right? So pod metadata is where? Okay, this one is one metadata. This one is about application. This one is this one we are going to write about the pod. So this one metadata will be the different one. Okay, so first we will write the template. Okay, so template. See, this is about the replica, and this is about the template. We are going to write about the pod. Okay, so we will write the template. Okay, then after template, again I should write the metadata, because inside the metadata only we are going to give the details. Okay, so inside the template metadata, this metadata is for pod. Okay, this metadata is for which one? Pod. And this metadata is for replica set. Okay, okay, so metadata. Now again what I should give? Name, right? Okay, name. Okay, so pod name, anything you can give the pod name, right? We can give anything. log log dev pod I will write. Okay, log dev pod I will write. Okay, so again now label, right? Pod levels will come, and pod level will be same as your replica's level name. Okay, so here you will write labels. Okay, inside the, not match labels only we will write. We will give the labels. See here match level. Okay, inside the selector match level, because this should match with this one. Okay, that's why we are writing here. Here different object is available. Okay, inside the selector match level. Okay, so why match level is there? Label with match level. Okay, that's why this should match with pod name. Okay, labels Okay, enter again app name. So there I have given app only. So here also I should give app and log dev. Log dev. Okay. Okay. Now, now this is the port details. This is what inside the template we write about the port details. Okay. Now container details we have to specify. Okay. So container details we have to specify. Okay. So where we will define. Sorry. See, this is the metadata of what? Metadata about the pod. Okay. So here in the same line, we will write the details of containers. So we will have specification. We will give the specification about the container. Okay. Container. So we will write about the containers here. Containers. Okay, containers. Okay. Now this is the container. So container may be one container, two container, right? Inside the pod, more than one container may be, right? So this will be the list, right? So this will be the list, and we will give the name of container. Any name you can give, like this is log. Suppose I will write my container, or you can give anything. Log dev container, log dev container, container. Okay. Now, what is container? Container is a container is what? Container. We can give the name. How we are creating the container with the help of image only, right? So what we will give image name, right? So suppose engine X I will take. Okay, engine X, and this one having what? Port number, right? Ports. So we will give the port. So what will be the port? Port of container. So this one will be also in the list only, because there will be maybe more than one container. So we will take container port. So default port is 80. Okay. So now guys, so now again we are coming to the application. Okay, see here I will write the deployment now, then after this will more clear. Okay, so till now, um, don't look over this one. Okay, directly come here, a specification about when I will come to the deployment, then you should focus here. Okay, so right now a specification about the replica. So replicas 3 I took. Okay, inside the selector. Okay, we have defined the match level name. Match level name is log dev. So whenever you are going to write about the replicas, okay, replicas level name, okay, and your pod level name, okay, this one and this one should be same. Don't forget about this one, okay. And other than this, you can give anything, okay. Okay, guys. Pod name you can give your own name, whatever you want to assign. Okay, see, we are scaling, the pod only, right? Pod only. Okay. I think this is clear to all. Anywhere you guys having doubt? Anywhere or clear to all? Who will explain why I have given app name here logdev and here also same name I have given? Why I have given these things? Can anyone explain it? Guys, all are silent. Ravi, Ravi, are you there, Ravi? So Ravi, tell me here match level name. I have given the name as a logdev, and here also I have given the logdev. So why I have given the same name? Hmm? Why? See why we have given because we are going to create the replicas of pod only, right? This is that inside the template we are writing the details about the pod. Okay, whatever the pod level name same will be the replicas now because replicas is the copy pod only. That's why we have given here logged. Yeah, that's why. Yes, duplicate or means you can say the copy of this. Yes. Okay. So now replica set batch one, replica set batch one here. So I will send this one on server. Okay. So how I can send it? Tell me the command, guys. How we can send it?
SCP. SCP
Yes.
file name.
File name
Hmm.
replica set batch, right?
Yes.
Batch.yml.
Hmm.
Then after,
उसके बाद यूजर नेम @ उसका आईपी एड्रेस जिस सर्वर पे भेजना है और
okay,
उसका फिर पाथ जिस पाथ पे भेजना है कोलोन के साथ
server 102 now 101. Okay. Okay, we will check here which folder we will send it.
pwd का check.
Okay, we will create a directory mkdir replica replicas learn replica cd learner replica and then after path only. Okay, so this is the path. One zero one. Then after colon, right? Then
Colon.
after this one. Correct? We can enter it. Okay, copy it, right? Okay, came. Okay. Now, now I want to create with the help of this YML. So what we can write, Sandeep? And pod we have which pod I took, which namespace we are going to create inside this namespace. Okay, log prod. Okay, so what I can write here, Sandeep?
क्या क्रिएट करना है?
I have to create a pod with the help of this replica set.yml.
ओके,
I
उस
have to.
हाँ, उस YML की हेल्प से, राइट?
हाँ.
ओके, देन sudo kubectl और apply -n apply
Name of namespace, right?
हाँ, नेम स्पेस लॉग स्टेज लॉग पर क्या था?
Log क्या था? Log
लॉग
prod.
prod.
Log prod. Apply or create we can write here.
हाँ,
And
अप्लाई और क्रिएट लिख सकते हैं.
this is the file.
रेप्लिका बैच या
Okay. Okay.
kubectl
What
कैसे
happened?
पहले kubectl apply manage
Sudo kubectl and then
c kubectl apply manage help and examples.
hyphen if I missed hyphen if right. Here are no object passed to apply. Sudo kubectl hyphen in log prod only we have given in the YML, right?
लॉग prod ही था ना? पता नहीं, हम तो अभी देखे.
Log prod only we have given.
ओके, एक सेकेंड. लॉग prod ही तो है यहाँ पे, नेम स्पेस. फिर क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है?
ये एप्लीकेशन लेवल में देखता हूँ करके लॉग prod. Sorry. Okay, try करता हूँ. Again I am sending. Okay, now again I will try. Okay, created.
फाइल में कुछ गड़बड़ आ गया था ना?
Actually, means this one. This one actually, this level name. Okay, this level name should be same. Okay.
ओके.
See log dev.
That's what I told you that this app name, if it's not same, that replica will not create.
Replica will not create because this is the
It will give an
application name.
error.
Because this is a part of application only, na. Okay.
Yeah.
Part of application only because here
Should be named for each and everywhere.
this one.
Everywhere the application name should be same, right?
Yeah, see this one we followed, right?
Yes.
Because of that only, because these all are interconnected with each other. Okay, so application name, container, pod, replica set, then deployment.
So everywhere, whatever the name we have given,
that should be the same name.
the same.
Okay, so this one should be the same name. Okay, so label should be the same name. Okay, 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 now we can check. We can check the port, right? Log prod get port, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, created. Okay, created. So if I want to know the deploy means replica set file name, get replica set
RS.
rs. So this is the replica set and 3. Okay, now I want to scale the pod. Okay, so how we can scale it?
We can
In
change
the
in that
deployment
file.
file, we can change there.
Directly we can change the whatever we will give in the number of means replicas in the deployment means replica set, that will that is okay, but how we can do with the help of command?
Just open the deployment file and just edit it. And the second way
uh,
is edit.
okay, that one is also a good way. Okay,
Yeah.
two.
And
One
second
more.
way is edit with the help of edit command.
Edit command. Okay, edit command means you are directly going to change in replica set deployment file, right?
Yeah, right.
From here
Okay,
on.
no, I want to scale it with the help of command. Okay, a scale command. Then log prod scale. What I want to scale?
Pod.
Replica set. With the help of replica set, only pod
Create.
Yes.
will create na. So a
Yeah.
scale replica set and replica set name, this one only. A scale replica set and replica set, and we can here we can give the replicas number. Okay, right now 3. Okay, 5, 6, whatever you want. Okay, 7 replicas. Okay, okay, scaled. So check the pod now. Okay, creating. Continue creating. Okay, we can wait for some times. Yeah, now created all. Now created all. I think this is okay, right? Now, now I want to reduce the pod. Then what we can do?
Same way.
Change the. We can change this one to 2. Okay, 2. Okay, then get pod. Okay, terminating, right? Terminating. Okay, it's came to 2. Okay. Now, uh, now we have created 2 namespace. Okay. So, one command kubectl. I want to know the resource. Okay, resource I will means resource allocated to namespace. Okay, resource means how much GB or CPU we given to namespace. Okay, so okay, come here now. So these are the namespace. Okay, so I want to know the resource of this one. So if I will write kubectl get namespace, okay, kubectl hyphen n, this one. Okay, I want to describe this replica, this namespace. Describe means will give the details, right? Okay, describe namespace, no? Correct? Yeah. No resource quota, no limit range. Okay, here, see, here, if you are able to see no resource or quota, no limit resource range, means whatever we have created the namespace at that time, we haven't defined any resource quota, right? Okay, so
Source
uh,
quota means
source quota means how much space or how much RAM you want to assign on a
oh,
particular namespace. Like, see, if you are going to create any disk, like this is our operating system, right? So suppose inside this is only C drive is there, okay? So if I want to create one more, okay, so one more like a folder only, right? So that one also having some space, right? So we created the namespace, but we haven't mentioned the resource allocation. We not given the resource quota. Okay, that also we can define. Okay, this one later we will see. Okay, okay, leave it. Later I will show you. Okay. So now and deployment. Okay, deployment I already explained. Okay, now deployment. Okay, now now guys, yes. See, try to understand this one. Okay, okay. Otherwise, I will copy this one.
it's the same like replica said, but in the place of kind
Ah,
mention deployment.
mention only deployment because see, in production we will use the deployment. Okay, because later on you are going to write deployment only. Replicas, one more is when I will show you scaling now. A scaling time I show you, uh, we can scale it in two ways. Okay, one is horizontal pod auto scaling and one is vertical pod auto scaling. Okay, I will show you. In that case, we will create one hpa.yml. Okay, so generally in production we are using the HPA, horizontal pod auto scaling. Interviewer will ask you, okay, so okay, scaling is okay. So on which basis you will scale? Okay, so little bit I am telling. Okay, little bit I will explain about the HPA. So HPA is what? HPA means um, according to the CPU utilization. Okay, according to the CPU utilization. Suppose there is one pod. Okay, in one pod you will give some CPU, like one CPU. Okay, so suppose five CPU you have. Okay, or one CPU in a starting, one CPU you mean for one pod. Okay, later on you want to increase the pod, means again one pod will create. Okay, CPU means what? Means whatever the user will come, that will hit your application. Okay, so according to the CPU utilization only your pod will work, right? Okay, okay, that things I will explain you later with the help of one figure. Okay, this that will come after uh, deployment file I will explain, then after that will be okay. Okay, right now if I will be explain, then we'll go by top. Okay, top of your head. Okay, yeah guys, so where we are, see, this is the deployment name, metadata, right? Namespace. Okay, match level, see, selector, match level is logdev app here. Okay, okay, see here also we have given the, here also we have given the logdev app pod. This is the pod name. Okay, and This is what? This is about the pod only, right? And then after here we have written about the container. Okay, and here what we did? If I will do like this. Okay, so if you will see here template. Okay, see here template about the pod, right? About the pod. Okay, if you will see, this is the level name, right? This is the level name. Okay, okay, and here we have written about the two things only. See, and here here what we have taken one more. Okay, if this one we will not take now. Okay, replica set. Okay, okay, here why we have taken now, because this is about the replica set. Okay, this is about the replica set, that's why these three are same. Okay, and here is what? Here is the deployment name. Deployment name you can give anything. Okay, deployment name you can give anything. Like see here I have given the replica set name log dev, so anything, right? Okay, and then after a specification about the directly we have given about the okay, this one is about the application only, right? One, two. Okay, here we have given the replicas in down. Okay, here we have given the in top. This can be anywhere. Okay, replicas. If you want to give replicas on top, also you can give. Okay, that is not a problem. Here I took on top. Okay, then after I have given nice level, you got it, guys, right? See, this one I have given on top. Okay, if you will see here. If you will see here, see replicas. Okay, here, and this selector is on top, and replicas here. So this is, I think this is clear to all. I think if you have confusion, then you can ask.
Like we can arrange it anyway. Like we can write the
Ah,
replica up or down anywhere. It's not an issue.
that is not an issue. Same similar kind you have to execute. Okay, so this you guys will do. Okay, you will write the deployment file, and you guys will show me. Okay, this is homework for you guys. Okay, then after tomorrow or means Saturday, we will see about the service.
We have to write
Okay.
a deployment file or a
Ha,
replica file. Replica.
deployment only. Okay, in deployment both will come. Okay, replicas and deployment. See, only kind is different. Okay,
Yes, yes. Both are same.
both are same. Because in productions we are not going to write the replica set. Okay. Yes, if requirement to replicate, okay, automatically. See, right now, by using the command only we are doing, right? See, one more thing I want to explain. See, where is figure guy? Yeah, see, right now we are scaling manually, right? We are scaling manually, okay. But later on in production, what will happen? According to the user heat only, okay. According to the user heat, this will scale automatically, okay. For that one we will write hpa.yml, horizontal pod auto scaling file we will write, okay. That I will show you later. Because before that one we should know about the service, then after you will come to know about those things. Okay. So tomorrow is Friday. So tomorrow I will try to explain the service. Otherwise on Saturday. Okay. If tomorrow I will get the time, I will explain it tomorrow only. Otherwise on Saturday. Okay, guys.
Yeah,
So
sure.
meanwhile, you guys practice these all things. Okay.
Yeah, सही है.
Okay.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. So now today's class is this much only. Okay. So we will meet on tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay, guys. So
Yeah,
see you tomorrow
yeah. Thank
or
you
day
so
after
much.
tomorrow.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you. Bye.